Go into the
yeah, to the shaft.
Yeah.
Input.
Right.
Yeah.
And then after that, I got the spacers that I need for here, that I'm gonna need for here, because right here we're gonna put the hanger
Yeah.
and the spacer, and that should give us the lift we need to keep the drive shaft off the torque armbar.
Right on.
Right. So what do you think if I could start to do the bell housing ones, and just to kind of bring it back, you know, we could take this guy off.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
You know, so I think that would be the best bet without having to remove the whole trans and go through that whole drama of things.
So you put a jack in there, floor jack, hold up to trans, and then remove the stiflers first, right?
Right. They're already loose.
I see. They're not.
Yeah. These can come off already because we took this off in order for the because we would have to remove the drive shaft when we got it in here for the torque armbar. So yeah, like I said, so that ain't too bad. We could take care of this right now. I got the jack right there. The only thing about that jack, he tends to weep down, but we just gotta keep an eye on it, and should be okay, I guess. I think. I hope.
Right.
Yeah. What I should do, here you go, man. Let me get that jack over here.
Well, this must have different size bolts on this side because the wrench you just used didn't work on this bolt I was gonna try and yank out.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely bigger than a half inch. Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about. Or yeah, right here.
Oh, okay.
The bell housing, the first one from the bottom, that's the one I was going to try and get. It looked like that's the one you were doing, right?
Yeah. I thought you were going to the transit.
No. I got the gist of this. Okay, now that's still good. Wait a minute now. Maybe. Let me try that one again. There we go. Have you guys tried the Milwaukee electric ratchet yet? The 3/8?
No.
Oh man,
It's good?
yeah, my buddy.
You know what?
It works good, man.
I picked up the snap-on ones.
Okay.
I didn't like them at all.
Really?
Yeah, they would like, they would just die out every so often. And then, but we've always worked with these. I see a lot of people, but it's easier to take apart with the pneumatic, with the electronic ones.
Yeah.
It's real easy with them, man, when you're taking stuff apart, because you don't know how they torque.
Yeah, right. Well, they're a little torque. I think they only put out like 35 foot-pounds. A lot of times you gotta crack, break them open first and then put it on there.
Right.
Instead of like what I'm doing right now,
Preventative, I guess. Or I just kind of knew. You know what? Hold on. I got you.
You can leave like this. Do what you're doing. This is not a big deal here or anything. Okay, there we go.
Oh, wait. Hold on. It's stuck on the jack, that's why. Hold on, bro.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, I missed one of the bell houses.
Okay.
That's all right. I spotted it, though.
I'm probably going to have to get this guy in here. Let's see. Get this guy off. And then when we install it, we'll bring the muffler hanger to put on. And then this guy.
So
Yes,
these
sir.
are header bolts, and that's one of the
nuts?
The nuts for the bell housing. I was keeping them inside your little compartment on
the jack?
On the jack, yeah.
Okay, cool. I put it right back there, too.
Put them in there.
And then, all right, I'm going to have to slide the jack back in.
Are you using this one? That's interesting. Oh, shit. Oh, that felt kind of nice, but then it gets it. I grabbed the output shaft and I got a finger full of grease. Yeah, there you go. Okay.
The wrenches are.
There's like something up top. Maybe I missed the bolt. Hold on, let me see. No, 1, 2, 3. And then the very top one.
I don't see any bolts on my end though. The very top one came off.
Yeah.
The only thing I see.
No. It's just those guide things.
Yeah, it's got to be the guides. They're got to be like really on there. Yeah, mine is walking out.
Is it?
Try your end. There it goes. Hold on.
Oh.
Yep.
All right. We're gonna come down with her a little bit at a time.
Back.
Hold on. More.
Yeah. You know what's gonna bind us up is the shifter.
The shifter.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
hold
you
on.
need to come down drastically,
Okay.
at least another inch.
This thing is messed. Should I just drop this?
Yeah, try drop it a little more. Shit, it's hanging right there at that point.
Hold on.
You know what? Something over there on your side. Yeah, that's something.
That was my stuff.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait, hold on. Your jack's not even on there anymore, bro.
Here.
There
There we go.
Okay.
Hold on, kick the jack back a little bit. There we go.
There.
I don't know. Why? Well. Yeah. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I mean,
There.
let's talk about that though. Why? What's up? What's going on? And then I'm gonna move this little lever, bring down the trans, so it's just not floating up here like a freaking ghost. You see
Now you can probably finagle that flex plate. But you gotta, I think you gotta go, let me get this out of the way. Yeah, something like that. There you go, yeah. They say it's supposed to work like this, that, and the other thing, but almost there.
How you? We got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. We should throw the bell housing back on,
Yep.
button it down, and then throw the trans.
Yep.
And then that's the end of that one.
No, I wanna, could you look inside here, make sure that's copacetic, bro, because the way we had that
Okay, this angled out.
hanging,
I feel the bearings are in place.
okay.
All bearings are in place. Yeah, I don't see anything damaged in
Okay,
there.
excellent.
It doesn't look like anything got warped or anything. See?
Yeah, all right.
Yeah. I think we're good there. The balances. These are all weights.
Mm-hmm.
So they're all in their position. All right. Yeah, we're good. Let's get that bell housing in place then. Okay, hold on.
I was gonna say,
Yeah.
take note of your, the guideposts.
Yeah,
And then hold the
'Cause-
flex plate.
because your guidepost is on the bell housing.
Right, yeah.
How are we?
I'm good, bro, I'm right
good?
on, yeah, I'm good.
Here's a screw.
Okay, fantastic.
feel more comfortable now that it's
Doing a lot more. You know how I would do these when I do my own clutches? I would just throw the whole fucking trans right on my chest.
Yeah, bench press it up there.
Yep.
Yeah, that's how we do it.
That's how I used to do it.
Are you feeling strong?
Fuck no. Now when you get this fancy hydraulic dealie out here. Hold on, bro, hold on. Then put shaft. All right, go right there.
Okay, and then we can get it somewhat close, and then pitch the front. Okay, nothing's in the way, right?
No,
Okay.
no, you're good. You're good on my side here.
Okay.
This is just dangling.
Let me get to the front over here. Okay. I'll remove the grease. Okay. Looks like she's walking in.
I think she's there, brother.
Keep that tail up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops. Okay, now then we're already lifting the engine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring it down a little bit.
Sometimes, I know you do, sometimes pushing this guy in does something.
Gorgeous.
There you go. I just revealed one of my secrets to you.
Damn it.
Hey, you kept talking about
Hey man, we
it, but
gotta
you
get
couldn't-
subscribers up so we can get paid for that secret.
Yeah. It's like muscle memory. Subscribe.
Subscribe, people. Just subscribe, man.
You got the other bolt?
I actually don't have the other bolt.
Okay.
I got it in the basement. I just want to put this up so when the trans, because you know this jack, it drops slightly as it just sits here.
Oh, you put the stifflers on already.
Yeah. Why is this thing battling me? Oh. All right. See what I mean? The jack already fell. Let me see.
You want me to go?
I got it. Let me see. Hold on. All right, there it is. That was a little bit of a issue, I guess, because you know what happens, without that flex plate, it's just gonna be hitting that flywheel and it's just gonna be scraping half the time. So it's a good thing we got that in, and at least we can continue moving forward now. So we'll go ahead and get that mount and the rest of the stuff. So that was pretty much what we did today, man. We just kind of had this flex plate that we had to install that we didn't install prior to getting this, because this was a Tremec transmission that we picked up with our Coyote engine, and it didn't come with it because we battled around looking for the bell housing, which we ended up getting about 6 months later because no one was making a bell housing for this Tremec, and we didn't get that little flex plate. But now we got it in, it's all bolted up, transmission's in. We need a Stifler transmission mount because obviously the mount that came with the transmission doesn't work for the Stifler mount, so we're going to go ahead and get that. And then we should be able to see what the spacing between our drive shaft and our torque armbar should be perfectly done, because as we can tell right now with what things the way they are, it hits a little bit here on the torque armbar. So we're going to do it, add a little spacer at the bottom here just to kick this up, and we should be perfect. So once we get that done, we're going to do some research and check out for this mount. Hey, Ed, man, thank you for coming over, man. Thanks for giving us a hand out here today.
No problem, man.
You know how it goes, man. We're trying to get this project done, even though we have some serious stuff that just happened, but go figure, right? Hey, guys, this is Saul Castañeda with MCSC Green Wheels, and here with our boy Ed, giving us a hand and just doing this flex plate. I want to thank everybody out there on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And if you guys are looking for a Foxbody, head over to our Facebook page on MCSC Green Wheels Facebook. You could see MCSC Automotive Green Wheels Facebook page, and you guys will find them. We post them up there from 1,000 to 10,000. And you know what, guys? Keep in mind, these are not our cars. We're just trying to help people out there get their cars, get a good reach out there. Go get yourself a Foxbody, and try to keep this community clean. We'll see you guys soon when we do the rest of this build.